Hi everyone. Today you all will be taught by 4 teachers. That is me, Nur Aziehah binti Ismail. The next one is teacher Jamaliah. The next one is teacher Michell, and the last one is teachers Vanida, Asang. Today we will study the science subject of chapter 3, which is the basic of light. What is light? Light is the type of wave that carry energy that through matter or space. Light energy is the only form of energy that we can actually see directly. A source of energy such as the sun or a light bulb give off light wave that spread out in all direction from the light sources. Light always travel in a straight line. In figure 1, you see the light is on a straight line. Because of the hole are parallel to the light, this show light always travel in straight line. The next pictures, light always move in a straight line, but if there is an object of light, it cannot move in a straight line anymore. For the next slide, I will pass to teacher Jamaliah. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Aziehah. Now, I am Miss Jamaliah. So, I will explain with all of you what are material that we are going to use. First, flashlight, hole puncher, ruler, 3-index card, and small piece of modeling clay or sticky tape. Next, the equipment are PowerPoint presentation, classroom whiteboard, camera for recording. So, what are teaching strategies for today? Teaching strategies for today are using PowerPoint slide as not in the classroom. Ask the student if they understand the lesson or not. Lastly, give homeworks to the student after lesson season. So, I will pass the next slide to the third presenter. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Michell, anak Gundi. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, for this slide, I will present about teaching strategy. I will explain about 3 teaching strategy. Okay, first, using PowerPoint slide as not in the classroom. Second, ask the student if they understand the lesson or not. And then the last one, give homework to the student after lesson season.
Thank you to Michelle Wendy. I am Vanida Asang. I will present about teaching and learning activity. At first, I will make sure the recording button are switched on, and I will divide the student into 2 groups. After that, I will give them the material to use for this experiment. First, for each index card, use ruler to draw a line connecting the opposite corner of the card. After that, at the intersection of 2 lines, use a hole puncher to punch a hole in the center of the index card. The third thing is, for each card, use a small piece of modeling clay and place the card into the clay to create a stand so that the card will sit properly. The student have to refer to Google Classroom notes for the diagram. After that, the student have to place the flashlight at one end of the row of the index card and turn off the light in the room. Next, the student have to arrange the index card into one line so that the light can be seen through all the hole on the index card. After that, the student have to observe and record their observation. Lastly, the student have to present it into the class session using PowerPoint slide. Next is reflection. In the reflection, the student can see how can the light be seen through all the index card, and what does the experiment prove about the path light travel. Lastly, what would happen if the hole was smaller. So student can do this reflection so that they can understand the experiment about the experiment. And that's all from our group. Thank you for listening.